Hey there, I'm Jakaria Ahmed from Solo ITBD. So this is the default WordPress login page. If we look at our website, we have our own logo and the primary color of this website is orange. But in this default login page, it's WordPress own logo and it's default color of WordPress. So it's not matching with our website. So in today's video, we will customize this boring login page from this to this. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard, then hover on plugins and then click on add new. In this search box, type LoginPress. This is the plugin we are going to use. Make sure this plugin is by WP Brigade. Click on install now and then click on activate. So we have successfully installed the plugin. Now, if you see left side, you will see a new option called LoginPress. Hover on this and then click on customize. You can skip this. Now, first let's change the background. So to change the background, click on this. These are default images. So if you want, you can use any of those images. But I'm going to use my own image. In that case, click on select image. And if you want, you can upload your own image, but I'm going to use this one. And then click on choose image. So as you can see, the background is changed. Previously, it was a solid color, but now it's an image as background. Now, instead of this WordPress logo, let's use our own logo. So click on this pencil icon and then click on select image. Then select your logo. This is our own logo, but the logo looks very small. Let's make it bigger. Here you will see logo width. So we can increase it. It looks perfect now. Then click on publish. Let's check the login page. Copy the login URL and open it in a new private window. It looks much better now. Now let's change the background color of this button so that it will match with the primary color of our website. So to change it, let's click on this pencil icon and click on this button color. First, copy the color code and then simply paste it here. For this border color, it's not looking good. Let's change the border color as well. This is the button border color. Click on this and use the same color code. Now it looks much better. But after hover, the color is changing. So if you want, you can change the color as well. Click on this button hover color and paste this same color code. Use the same color code for border color as well. Now click on publish. If you want, you can change the text color as well. Since it's matching, so I'm not going to change it. But if you want, you can change it from here. Button text color. For example, if I click on black, as you can see, the color is changing, but I'm not going to change the color. Now let's check. Yes, it looks very good now. That was the main feature, but there have a lot of other features as well. If we go back, if we click on customize login form, you can increase the form width. By default, it's 350, but if we want, you can make it bigger. If you want, you can make it transparent like this. There have a lot of other options. You can simply play with all of the settings. I've only shown you the main settings that we need to customize. So if you find this video helpful, subscribe our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss our new helpful videos. Thank you.